Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So previously we learned about slash commands and added two commands to our bot, which is one ping and hello. So in today's video we will add some moderation commands like kick and ban and etc. So let's get started. I'm writing the code and I will explain as usual. The first command will be kick. So yeah, we created a new command kick which has a description this. We just describe the command name and its descriptions, and the new thing is here we have to check the permission before kicking any member, like that member who is using the command has the permission to any kick member to kick any member. So if he doesn't have, the command will automatically reject his interaction. So now we will describe here what will the command do. So here we will describe the interaction, like who uses the command, where is the command used, and here is the member, like which member we have to kick from the server, and the reason, and this is the default value. If no value is provided, this is the default value, and this is a check. You can understand it like this: if a member's top role, like his previous his topest role of that member is greater or equal to the the user which has used the command's top role. So I will explain here. If this user will use this command, so he can't kick me because I am admin. My admin role is above his normal role. Hope you understand. If this situation occur, the bot will simply reply like you cannot kick that member because he has the higher role. And here we used ephemeral true because it will only show the response to you, not any other member, like you have seen in Discord. And now we will kick that member and tell the reason to the command, what is the reason, and in the last we will give a response to that interaction, like the member has been kicked. And the second thing, we have to add one more intent here, which is intent dot members. It will tell our bot to, like, he can see and run any action on members. So now we will run the command, run the bot. Let it run. It has logged in. Let's check the command. If the command doesn't appear, try reloading the Discord client. Now try command. Like here you can see it's now available. Now I will try to kick any member, like example this one. I have entered, and here is the reason. If I doesn't enter, there will be a default reason like I showed here. No reason provided. If I left it empty. Now we ran the command. As you can see, the command has responded successfully, and this is what ephemeral means. Like I can only see this response, and the member is also gone from the server. We should close it. Now we will work on the ban command. Let me write the code and I will explain it. So yeah, as same as a kick command, we have described our command and checked the permission for ban members. This time it's ban members, previously it was kick members, and the same permission check, and then we ban the member and send the reply. Let's test this command. Let me run the bot. As you can see the command, let's ban this member and give a reason any. As you can see, this user has been banned. As you can check on the audit log also. Let me turn off this. As you can see, the bot has banned the member with the reason this, and the kick member also. Now turn off the bot. Now let's make two another commands, which is clear and timeout. Let me write the code for it, then I will explain it. So yeah guys, this is our clear command. As usual, I have described the command here, its name and its description. Here is the permission check. Here are we using the manage message. Only the person who can manage this message, delete messages, can use this command. And I have declared a condition here, like if the amount is less than 0, then the bot will reply this and cut out of the command. Like the amount has to be greater than 0, and if the amount is greater than 100, then the amount will be equals to 100. This is because the Discord API limit does not allow us to delete 100 plus messages at once. So this is the condition for it. And then we use here defer reply. We use it here because in interaction command, when our reply takes much time than the regular command like ping, we have to use it here, or it will give an error of unknown command. And now here we use try block because if our program ran into any error, it will not crash. Instead it will print an error message like this. If we haven't used this here, or any error occur in our command, then it will simply crash the whole bot. But we are using the try and accept statements here, so it will not. So here we use the purge functionality of our Discord package, and here we set it the amount we entered here, and simply deleted and replied to the interaction. When we defer the reply, we have to use follow up to reply to the interaction. Now let's check this command. Run the bot. Let's try the clear command. Here it is. For default amount, if we will not input any amount, the amount will be 5. For now I will delete 2 messages. As you can see, it deleted 2 messages from the channel, so it's working. Now we will add our last command, which will be timeout. Let me write up its code, and then I will explain it. So guys, this is our timeout command. This is our description of command and the name, and here is the permission check. And as usual, here are the, we have to enter the member, for how much time we have to time out the member, and if no value will be given, the default will be 5, and as same for the reason. And here we will check for the permission, if cause that user cannot kick any above role user, and I am forgot to here and written, yeah. Then we set up the duration for this will give us the current UTC time, okay. And for this I have imported date time package. Here you can see, if this package isn't in your system, just run the command pip install date time, and it will install successfully in your system. This will create a duration of the given minutes, and both of these combination will create the duration for the timeout, and we will give the reason and the confirmation message that the person has been timed out successfully. Let's try this command. Let's run the bot. Let's reload the client. Now let's test the command. Let's choose sprite. Minutes, and the reason is any. As you can see, we can add here minutes also if you can, to make it look good. Now it will properly give the look of this. And now check that member in the audit log. As you can see, the current time for me is 10:34, and we have timed out him for 10 minutes, and it's for 44. So yeah guys, this is all for this video. So in this video we'll learn 4 basic commands for moderation. In the next video we will learn about buttons and embeds, and will create a combination of it. So please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and please like the video and ask me any question if you haven't understand in this video in comments. Literally I will give reply to everyone. If you have any single problem, if you want to contact to me personally, you can join my Discord server and contact me there. Okay, so bye bye.